What's the business? Let's get right into it. Today is the day. Shane Carwin, Brock Lesnar, UFC 116. Two bulls lock horns. One man's going to walk out the champion. My prediction is to be Brock Lesnar. Brock Lesnar in 5 fights is the most significant fighter in the world. He looks like somebody drew him in a comic book and he just came to life like the Last Action Hero. Shane Carwin is a big mofo, would knock you the F out power in both hands. I just happen to believe that Brock Lesnar is better standing up. He's better on the ground, and he's just better all around. So, take it to the bank. Brock Lesnar will win this fight. Another fight of interest today is going to be Sexyama versus Chris Leben. Go ahead and say that Chris Leben takes out Akiyama. I don't know. I haven't seen a Japanese guy come over to the United States and have any type of success against top flight guys. I think Leben's really a gatekeeper. If somehow Akiyama gets by him, he may be the truth, but I'm going to go ahead and take Chris Leben. Another fight of interest today is Kurt Pellegrino versus George Sotiropoulos. I'm going to go ahead and ride with Sotiropoulos. He's got great ground skills. His jiu-jitsu is second to none, and the guy's on a tear. So there you have it. Lesnar will win, Leben will win, and Sotiropoulos will win. Take it to the bank. Take it to Bodog. Bet it if you want to. Don't blame me if you lose, but give me all the credit if you win. That's the business, homie.